Yes. Now we will move towards the features of it. It's a process. It's a process of identifying the target audience. It's a process of identifying the communication objectives. It's a process of the Western is designing the communication message, and it is a process of finding out what technique should be used for communicating market, for identifying the budget, implementation of IMC, and last one is review. So this is what the process is. Process means it involves steps. जब हम IMC, we come up with IMC, we design, we do the planning, we undertake certain steps. So that is why it's a process. It's a process of identifying the customers, communicating. Second one is to define the communication objectives, and designing the communication messages, communication techniques, defining the budget, implementing IMC, and last one is review. Review means see to it whether the planned one need to be applied. If it is applied and if any differences is there, take the corrective measure is known as process. Process means it involves steps. IMC, you cannot over a night, you cannot come up with the IMC concept. You have to plan, you have to undergo certain steps. So steps are what? Identify audience. Audience means target audience. Audience means customers. तुम कस्टमर्स को डिफाइन करो, आइडेंटिफाई करो कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट का कस्टमर कौन है. याद रखना एवरी प्रोडक्ट हैज टारगेट ऑडियंस. इफ इट इज मर्सिडीज के लिए टारगेट ऑडियंस होगा सर्विस या बिजनेस. प्रेफरेबली business class people is the target audience for Mercedes. याद रख, Mercedes is very costlier, very heavy, very economically, very strong economically as well as it is physically also very strong. So it is very costly. So for that, the target audience are business class people. ठीक है. So I have to identify the target audience. Secondly, I will define what are my communication objective. मैं क्यों IMC बना रही हूँ, क्यों I am undertaking promotion, why I am undergoing promotion. Certain objective must be there. Say for example, why I am studying commerce, why I am into commerce. There are certain aims and objective behind it. Yes, we are in commerce because we have to achieve this career. We are into it because we want to achieve this objective. So IMC हम क्यों बनाते हैं? To achieve certain objectives. Then what is to design communication message, is to design or to identify techniques through which I will be communicating the market. Next one is it will be requiring certain budgets. So student, you need to keep the budget aside. Next one is implementation, and last one is review. So we are done the process. Second one, main objectives of IMC. IMC क्यों undertake किया जाता है? What are the objectives are there? Now student, IMC means promotion. Why we are undertaking promotion? We are undertaking promotion because to create an awareness. This is the first objective. Second one, to create brand image. Third one, brand loyalty, is to do competition in the market, is to build corporate image, to increase sales, to increase profit, to increase customers can be my objective for coming up with IMC. So these are objectives, main objectives of IMC. Once again, create awareness, brand image, brand loyalty, doing competition, corporate image, more customers, more sales can be my objective for coming up with IMC. Third one, continuous in nature. Now, student, IMC should not be one-time process. If it is one-time process, if one time only you are advertising, one time only you are sending your salesman, it won't create long-lasting impact on the minds of target audience. They will very soon, student, forget your brand. So it should be nature. Whatever promotion, message, techniques you are using, it should be continuous in nature. Student, continuous things act as a reminder. It acts as a reminder. So promotion should not be one time. It should be continuous in nature. Is that clear? Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Oh, Okay, thank you. We will move towards elements of IMC. There are various elements to IMC. In short, can I say elements to promotion mix? Yes, element to promotion mix too. क्योंकि IMC का नाम है elements to IMC means in short we are also studying the elements to promotion mix. It is also known as promotion mix. हाँ, याद रखना जो elements है उनको in short हम promotion mix भी बोलते हैं, या we can say elements to promotion या elements to IMC, या in short में मुझे बोलना है तो I can say these are promotion mix. So what are promotion mix? First one is publicity. Publicity is non-paid form. याद रखना, it is non-paid form. ये मिल जाती है through news reporters, through newspapers, through news articles, through internet द्वारा publicity मिल जाती है. It is non-paid form. Best example is Vikas Dubey, Kanpur wala. Best example is Rakhi Sawant. Best example is nowadays Sonu Sood. He has done a very good job in sending the migrated people back to their native place, back to their home place, back to their to their villages, right? So publicity, yes, publicity is non-paid form, पर कोई किसी को पे नहीं करता है, and for that you get bad publicity, for that you get a good publicity, depend upon the work you have done. If for a society you will get a good publicity, if you have done a bad thing in the society, yes, you will be disgraded and you will get bad publicity for whatever you did. Yes, now we will move towards the second element of IMC, that is advertising. Advertising is a paid form. यहाँ पर एक पार्टी दूसरे पार्टी को पे करती है. Who is that party? He is advertiser, he is manufacturer, he is producer, he is sponsored, right? So he gives money to whom? To the advertising agency. Who is advertising agency? They are expertise. Advertising agency is composed of creative people who are expertise in coming up with promotion elements, promotion mix, yeah, promotion things, right? Whereas advertiser is not expertise in doing so, so he approaches ad agency. For that he pays to ad agency, right? So advertiser, yeah, advertising paid form. It is non-personal also. Non-personal means it do not include salesmanship, right? It do not include salesmanship, but it is undertaken to promote ideas and goods and services. What we do, we somebody has yes, somebody has entered, sorry. So element is next, element is advertising. Advertising we have done, it is what? Paid form. It is what? It is not a personal selling, it is a promotion as goods and services by an identified sponsor. So we have already seen ahead, we have lecture, we have covered advertising, so I will be not talking much on advertising. Now I will be directly moving towards the next element, which is sales promotion techniques. Now sales promotion techniques is nothing but the free gifts, discount, coupon, contest and combo packs. This is what it is a way of making making others to attract towards these techniques. ठीक है, बहुत बार customers के पास already चीजें पड़ी रहती है, but also they go to buy these products only because to avail discount, only thing to get free gifts, coupons, contest, yes, combo pack. These are the tactics played by the sellers. इसको हम बोलते हैं sales promotion techniques. Next one is salesman. Salesman is the person who is appointed by the company to promote company's product to the doorstep or to the directly to the customers. Now there can be a salesman डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स रिटेलर्स. ऐसे भी सेल्समैन होते हैं जो कल तक नहीं आते हैं और डायरेक्ट रिटेल के पास जाते हैं. बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज डॉक्टर. जो डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, दे आर ट्रेड सेल्समैन. यस, नॉट अप्रोचिंग डायरेक्टली टू द पेशेंट्स. पेशेंट के पास नहीं जाते स्टूडेंट, पेशेंट के पास नहीं जाते हैं, इन शॉर्ट कस्टमर के पास नहीं जाते हैं. वो किसके पास जाते हैं? डॉक्टर्स के पास. दे आर ट्रेड सेल्समैन. ट्रेड मीन्स जो या तो आइदर होलसेलर के पास जा रहे हैं या तो रीटेलर के पास जा रहे हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं ट्रेड सेल्समैन. Whereas those who are directly approaching to the customers, they are salesman directed towards us. So we are done with salesman. Salesman is what? Personal selling. Person is selling. Is personal selling. Now, student, we will see more elements ahead. For in this point, only 4 points. That is public advertising, sales promotion techniques, and salesmanship. Further, we will see more because it's a full-fledged topic ahead. We will cover more points under it, right? Now we will move towards creativity. Do you believe IMC ke liye one has to be creative? Do you believe, students? Do you believe
Yes,
it
Miss.
requires creativity to come up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Student, without creativity, yes, it is needed. Now, why, student, is there is any difference between creativity and innovations? Creativity innovation is not written over here. Why it is creativity we had here? Anybody can try? Why we are having creativity here? Why it is one of the point we are studying, student, we are having it under it. Why it is not innovation? Student, am I audible?
Yes, miss. May I try?
Yes, please. Shraddha, you are there. Acha, Shraddha want to try. Try. Yes, try.
Yes, miss. Miss, innovations is doing something in different way, whereas creativity is doing same task in a different manner.
What is the difference between both, Shraddha? It seems to be one and same.
Miss,
Doing
no,
different
miss.
things,
Miss,
doing
innovation
different tasks
is that.
differently.
No. Miss, innovation is something like hatke. Do something like task is also different. You cannot think like that. And creativity is think in a like a unique way the same task which is given to all.
Shraddha and other students. Student, I'm telling you one quote, one line. Student, I have conceived an idea to come up with new, and I've come up with a new product. Is there any difference? I have come up with a new idea, and I have come up with a new product. Is there any difference? Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me, please.
Thinking new something is innovative, and making that happen differently is a creativity.
No, you are correct, but you are taking it. You have exchanged the concept. Exchange कर दिया तुमने. The new is known as creativity. Coming up with the new thing is known as innovations. If it is tangible, you can have there. You will say I am an innovator. Yes.
Miss, can you please repeat? It's little breaking.
Acha, my voice is breaking. Student, if I have come up with an idea, if it is an idea related to service, there you will tell creativity. If it is related to service, yaad rakhna, idea related to service, just intangible in nature, हम बोलते creativity. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Creativity. Yes, new concept, new process, which is intangible in nature. A new idea is known as creativity. If you have come up with a new product, new machinery, that is known as innovations. And very, very, very smartly written over here, creativity, because advertising agency, the promotion comes under category of service. So that is why we had a word here, creativity. Okay. Conceiving a new idea known as creativity, conceiving a new idea about promotion known as creativity, and promotion, ad agency, advertising, this is all service industry. सर्वे है, तो इसलिए हम वर्ड यूज कर क्रिएटिविटी. इफ इट इज रिलेटेड टू प्रोडक्शन, अगर ये प्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड हो तो हम वहां बोले वी आर इनोवेटिव, आर innovative. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So very legibly, very much suitable word is used over here, that is creativity. Okay, advertising is a service industry. We cannot have innovations over here. हम लोग कुछ product बना रहे हैं. We are coming up with the new concepts, new ideas. तो इसलिए हम बोलने का creativity. We should be using the word creativity rather than instead of innovations. If it is a production industry, then you can have innovations. वहां पर आप क्रिएटिविटी भी लिख सकते हैं एंड इनोवेशंस भी लिख सकते हैं. बट सर्विस जहां पर आता है वहां पर आप इनोवेशन नहीं लिख सकते हैं, आपको लिखना है क्रिएटिविटी. इज दैट क्लियर? इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
यस, वेरी गुड. गुड्स को बनाने के लिए दोनों चीजें लगती है, ठीक है, मशीन भी लगता है और साथ में आइडिया भी लगता है. तो गुड्स के टाइम पे आप दोनों चीजें लिख सकते हो, क्रिएटिविटी भी लिख सकते हैं एंड इनोवेशंस भी लिख सकते हैं. एंड purely it is concept related to coming up with the new goods, new things. दिमाग याद रखना, नया बनाया, नया प्रोडक्ट बनाया, ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं. Yes, you have come up with the new formula for pharmaceutical. Something कम निकला तो वहां पर इनोवेशंस बोलने का. नया इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनाया तुमने, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड्स बनाया, नया मॉडल क्रिएट किया, दैट इज इनोवेशन. और जब आए है ना, जहां पर स्टूडेंट सर्विस है वहां पर बोलने का क्रिएटिविटी. क्या बोलने का? Creativity. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
got it.
So you got?
Yes, ma'am. Creativity means thinking something new, and innovation is introducing something new.
Very good. In a short form, in a short manner. Very good. Very good. Where innovations means tangible, service means intangible. Yes, there is an idea. There is a where there is a new concept you have conceived in your mind is known as creativity. And where you are doing and coming up with the outcome, with the output, there you have to use the word innovations. Innovation is generally tangible, creativity is generally intangible. Is that clear? Yes. Now we will move towards art and science. Yaad rakhna, IMC is art because it IMC is a art. Art means creativity, and it is also a science. Science means यहाँ कुछ rules and regulations है for advertising industry, for ad agency, and for the advertiser. So it's a science. Science means rules and regulations. As like in science, we follow certain rules. Rules means H2O is a rule for water. It's a universal rule. Universal rule. It do not changes due to change in boundaries, due to change in language. It is one and same. So it is a rule. It is a science. Science is set for all. It is same for all. Yes. It is an art as well as science. Art because it was creativity. Science because it follows certain rules and regulation laid down by the government, by the other organizations, right? So there is a art as well as science. Now we can say coming up with IMC is a art and science. Art because it requires creativity, science because it need to follow certain rules and regulation. Is that clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Is that clear? Yes. Now we will move towards target audience. So do you believe every promotion is designed keeping in mind the target audience?
Yeah.
Yes, miss.
Do you believe? IMC
Yes.
is designed keeping in mind target audience. Yes. Have you come
Yes.
across the advertisement of First Cry dot
Yes,
firstcry.com
miss.
Yes,
advertisement?
ma'am.
Yes, miss.
देखा है ना? यस, हमने सबने देखा है। स्मॉल स्मॉल बेबीज को बताया है और साथ में अमिताभ बच्चन को भी बताया है ना? अमिताभ बच्चन is the brand ambassador for First Cry, which is a product from Mahindra. Is that clear? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. They have shown very clearly target a small babies. It's a small baby garment. Yes, now they are offering small babies garments. Yes, they have shown small babies doing modeling, doing saying dialogues. Yes, now they have shown a story where Amitabh Bachchan do the magic, and all babies they get their new dresses. Yes, so what is the storyboard shown in that particular advertisement? It is clearly stating, it is clearly specifying that target audience are small babies. Now tell me, who are for target audience for Fair and Lovely?
Uh,
Woman.
Women, ladies.
Yes, ladies, not small, young ladies, young women's and women's. Yes. And who are target audience for Fair and Handsome?
Men.
Boys, young boys. Yes, handsome boys. Yes, yes. Very good. So we know who are target audience. Audience matlab student, याद रखना, one cannot sell, one cannot have the promotion, common promotion to all. One has to be specific in coming up with the promotion. हम एक कॉमन प्रमोशन सबके लिए नहीं रख सकते, क्योंकि सब हमारा टारगेट ऑडियंस नहीं हो सकते, सब एडवर्टाइजर का टारगेट ऑडियंस नहीं हो सकता। ठीक है, अभी जैसे कि शेविंग क्रीम है, तो कैन आई हैव शेविंग क्रीम का जनरल promotion, general IMC for all? No, no, I cannot. Women are not using shaving creams. Is that clear? Even we cannot have small babies for shaving creams, not suitable audience. No, no, no. We should be specific. We should be having specific promotion mix, special element targeted towards specific group known as target audience. Is that clear? So can I say IMC is targeting certain group, specific group is known as target audience. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Next है influence diverse group. Whenever we are coming up with the promotion, yes, it is influencing various groups. It is stimulating various group. It is ठीक है, it is influencing the various groups. The various groups can be government, it can be media, it can be society, it can be customers, it can be competitors. याद रखना, जब हम IMC लेकर आते हैं, जब हम एडवर्टाइजमेंट लेकर आते हैं, जब वेरियस एलिमेंट्स ऑफ प्रमोशन लेकर आते हैं, तो ये सबको इन्फ्लुएंस करता है। सबको मतलब किसको? सोसाइटी को, कस्टमर्स को, कॉम्पिटिटर्स को, डीलर्स को, सप्लायर को, मीडिया। इन शॉर्ट, जब IMC बनाया जाता है या IMC दिखाया जाता है, whenever in whatever stage IMC is there, IMC always influence others. It always influence others, not only customers but also diverse group. So diverse group can be defined, can consist of society at large, government, competitor, etc. So we are done with 8 points of features of IMC. First one, it is a process. It's a what? All various steps of what? Identify audience. Come on, identify the messages. Sorry, Second one is what? Identify the communication objectives, फिर come up with the message, identify the techniques, yes, technology through which to be communicating message, yes, budget define करो, implement करो, review करो. फिर there are main objectives of IMC. IMC undertake क्यों किया जाता है? बहुत सारे objectives है student, जैसे कि create awareness, brand image, brand loyalty, competitions, yes, corporate image, etc etc etc. नेक्स्ट है कंटिन्यूस इन नेचर. आईएमसी एक बार करने का नहीं, बार बार करने का. एक बार किया तो भूल जाओगे, हमें याद नहीं रखोगे, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट आया था, कब आया, बिल्कुल याद नहीं. So it should be continuous in nature. It act as a reminder. It always be top of mind of customer. Next one, element of IMC. There are various. We have studied only 4 over here: advertising, publicity, sales promotion techniques, and salesmanship. Done, done. Then creativity. It's a service. So we have used the word creativity. Creativity to conceive an idea, to come up with new concept. Yes, yes, and implementation या एग्जीक्यूशन टू इनोवेशंस. याद रखना, अगर आइडिया को आप इम्प्लीमेंट करते हो तो यू कम अप विद सर्टेन आउटपुट, दैट इज नोन एज इनोवेशंस. ठीक है, वो दैट इज अ सेकेंडरी थिंग. But till now, here you have to use the word creativity. Creativity means coming up with the new idea which was not existing before, is known as creativity. IMC is an art as well as science. Art because it requires creativity, new thing, new thinking, new concept. So it's a art. Science because it has to follow certain rules and regulation laid down by the government and other agencies related to advertisings. Okay, next is target audience. We cannot have a general IMC for all the public. We have to be specific in nature. We should target specific audience, like fair and lovely for beautiful ladies, fair and handsome for handsome boys, right? And last one is influence diverse group. जब डिजाइन होता है या IMC को दिखाया जाता है तो ये बहुत लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है, स्टिमुलेट करता है, उनमें हलचल पैदा करता है, चेंजेस लाता है. वो कौन से ग्रुप्स हैं? दे आर गवर्नमेंट, they are customers, they are competitors, etc. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that
Yes, ma'am.
clear? So very good. So we are done with. I'm stopping with the recording. Recording बंद कर रही हूँ मैं. Okay. So done. So we are
My name is